In the photo in the background you see one of our most recently customer completed do-it-yourself hot tub projects. This project was done by a young doctor and his wife in Utah. Except for electrical work, gas heater hookup and final concrete work, they did everything else themselves. Here is what this customer had to say about his project.
Hi Gene, I just wanted to let you know that when we started this crazy project, I was really anxious. I had never done anything like this before. It took us a while, but we finally finished it. It has turned out really incredible, and I wanted to let you know how grateful we are for all your help. We have been using it for about 2 months now, and it's been working so awesome. The jets work perfectly, the waterfall works amazingly, the heater has had no issues, and the lights are awesome. Thanks again.
Over the years, Custom Built Spas has truly been thankful for the many customers who have sent us pictures of their spa, hot tub, and small pool projects. We're equally grateful to them for sharing their experience working with Custom Built Spas. Here's another recently completed project and customer testimonial.
Building our own hot tub initially seemed like a daunting task, but not with Gene as a coach. Although my wife and I have always been avid do-it-yourselfers, we had no experience with this type of undertaking. Throughout the project we confidently relied upon Gene's expertise, knowledge base, and ability to provide the parts and equipment we needed for our project. Additionally, the combination of Gene's step-by-step documentation, his instructional videos, and his availability to address our constant questions via phone and email, was instrumental in helping us complete a custom-built spa project that far exceeded our expectations.
One of the most rewarding aspects of this business has been the positive impact you have when helping customers do something they didn't think they would be capable of doing. Here's just one more example of that, and this customer was not in the US. Building an indoor American-style hot tub in Europe was a big challenge for me. Especially here in Croatia, such things were never built DIY. Zin was very helpful during the whole process, and his advice books and videos made this project possible and even made me a better engineer. Thanks again for all your help.
I'd like to invite you to visit the Custom Built Spas website at www.custombuiltspas.com. Scroll through the pages, and if you would like to get a complete information package on building your own spa, hot tub, swim spa, or small pool, just click on anywhere it says Get Instant Access. Fill out the required information form and your information package will arrive within minutes. Thanks so much for stopping by.